In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A33, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now for this you will need a cable that you can plug into your computer so we can boot into the recovery mode. So let me quickly grab that. Now you will also need a computer for this, so you can plug that cable to it. There we go. So that just connected. So from here, I'll mention that this does remove a screen lock. So if you have one, I can get rid of it without actually knowing it, and I will quickly set one up just so you can see this, like how it looks like. So anyway, let's just quickly find it. Okay, so as you can see, there is our screen lock. Now, I do know my screen lock, obviously I just set it up, but I will basically progress from the lock screen as though I wouldn't know it. So, to get started, we'll need to turn off our device. So you want to, number one, plug it in, and you will need to turn it off by holding power key and volume down till the phone actually turns off. There is no other way of turning it off if you don't know the actual screen lock, because if you normally try, go to the power options, select power off, it gives you this message right here, draw pattern to turn off phone, which is absolutely stupid considering we can do this and completely bypass this. So power key, volume down. Now when you start holding it, I do encourage you to interact with the screen so you can see when it turns off, which it was right now, and then you want to switch from volume down to volume up. And there we go. So as you've seen, holding power key, volume down forces the device to reboot once it turns off. So you basically want to look for the screen to turn off. Once that happens, you switch from volume down to volume up while continuously holding the power key. And this will boot you into recovery mode. Now from here, using volume keys, you will navigate down to wipe data factory reset and then confirm it with power key. Then select the same way factory data reset. Will give you at the bottom data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power key once again, and this will initiate the reboot. Now it will also continue the factory reset of the device in the background, so it will take the device a little bit longer to turn back on. Don't worry, that's normal. Once it's finished, we should then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. Now for some reason we have some message to unplug the charger. Never seen that before, so I guess let's do it. And there we go. As you can see, the process now finished. So apparently we're already done, but Samsung decided to bother us with the sound to force us to unplug it. No idea why. But there we go. You can see this is the setup screen, and from here you would just go through the setup as you would normally do so. One last info, if you were logged into like Samsung or Google account, you will need to verify it throughout the setup process, so keep that in mind. It removes PIN, pattern, password, stuff like that, but it does not remove the accounts. And if you are logged in with Samsung account, you do need to verify this. For Google accounts, I will have a video on probably how to bypass this, if there is one. At the moment, I don't have anything prepared for this yet, but I assume it probably can be done on the Samsung, as most of the Samsung can be bypassed. Well, I can bypass the Google verification. So if you will need that, I guess check out the video that I create for that later on. Anyway, this is how you could hard reset your device through recovery mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.